Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a super opportunity from Wipro company. Wipro conducting phase 2 campus interviews. So there are many vacancies. So complete details we'll discuss in this video. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for the first time, viewers, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel to receive latest job notifications. Viewers, Wipro conducting phase 2 hiring 2021. In order to apply for this position, viewers, education qualifications are 10th inter graduation. You need to secure 60% marks or above are applicable by university guidelines, and this is only for 2021 passed outs. Candidates who have completed Bachelors of Computer Application BCA, Bachelor of Science SC. Eligible streams are Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Statistics, Electronics and Physics. Candidates can apply for this position. Other criteria are mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one of the subject in graduation. So, maths need to be one of the subject viewers. Business maths and applied maths will not be considered as a core mathematics. This is a very important point. Maximum 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. Okay, this is also very important gap, very important point, like only 3 years gap is allowed. No gaps are allowed in graduation, and graduation should be completed within 3 years. So, you need to complete your graduation in 3 years. Education should be regular full time only in 10th, 12th and graduation by central and state government of India. All arrears and backlogs need to be clear at the time of selection process. So, you should not have any standing or active backlogs at the time of selection process. Should be Indian citizen. Candidates who have participated in the selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. This is also very important point, viewers. Who have already attended Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. When we come to the stipend details, viewers, this is the trainee positions. So, first year 15,000 plus 488 ECI, second year 17,000 plus 553 ECI, third year 19,000 plus 618 ECI. So, they are paying quite good amount because they are providing training for you, and as well as they are paying. And the fourth year there is no stipend, nothing. Your salary is 23,000. Service agreement is minimum you need to sign 60 month service agreement with them, and selection process includes online test which of 80 minutes. They'll ask aptitude test, verbal, analytical, quantitative. So, aptitude test, verbal, analytical, quantitative, and each section has 20 minutes, 20 questions, followed by written communication test, 20 minutes. Upon the selection in online assessment, candidate will be required to go through technical interview and HR interview. So, totally 3 rounds. Online assessment, after completing online assessment, we have technical interview and HR interview. Last date to apply online is 14th Feb 2021. So, those who are interested viewers, I will provide Wipro link in the description. Through link you can apply for this position by clicking apply button here. So, we need to enter valid email ID and we need to submit. Next. So, those are interested viewers, you can apply. Mainly eligible candidates. Hope this video is useful for you viewers. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of job, and thank you very much. All the best for your upcoming interviews, and please do not forget to subscribe channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of latest job updates. Thank you very much.